So now we will work on the expression binding. It's not a big deal. We will add on expression. So now you can see that like here, that is the price is showing, but actually there is no logic. So we will add a logic. It's with a expression that if price is more than 50, then it will show on color, and if it is less than 50, then it will show another color. So let's do that so that you can easily understand that how you can do more based on your requirement. So now you can see that basically here the data is showing, that currency is showing here. So now we have to add the expression. So inside that, so basically that is the object item is closing here. So now with that is the another, like, that is called number state. So in that number state, you can just the invoice, that is the it will be the based on the price. So invoice extended price here, and we have to use a dollar sign here, then again this, and now actually we have to use that. This is done. Now our condition is 50, so if less than is on color, it's error. Otherwise it's success color. So now here it is done. So if I just save, refresh, so now you can see that the color is different here based on the number. So actually that is the error, and success is based on that library, I mean that number state, and you can check the other state, like for example error warning is the icon is also different, so it is the standard. So yeah, for this video only this. So let's continue with the custom formatters in the next video. Thank you.